Open the biscuits.
They're already open.
Get them out then.
Right, should we put it on plates?
Yeah.
Yes. Fancy AF.
I do have fancy plates.
Uela plates.
I don't know what that means, but cool.
Where are the plates?
Oh, the plates are here.
Surprisingly enough, they're in the cupboard. Oh my gosh.
No one likes a smart ass, mate, alright.
Well, where else did you put the plates?
Okay. Decoration.
Yes.
Plum, pudding, and
I'll
plum.
tell you
Nice
what, I've got
over-the-shoulder
anything
shot
else
there.
in the decoration cupboards.
Charlie chilling down there. Did you call them decoration cupboards?
Yeah.
Got like silver balls.
Oh wait, no, because we can't.
One thing of, is it white icing?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
there are decorations
And then-
in the other boxes.
Some chocolate sprinkle things.
No, because if we use those, then we're not going to have any for the baubles.
Yeah.
Spoiler alert, we're also making baubles.
Sometimes. Here's what you're doing!
Wrecking the place.
Wrapping the joint.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I like these.
Got marzipan.
These are cool.
I don't like marzipan.
It's not my
Oh, I
it's
don't
just
like
icing.
You
It's
know
really
what?
chocolate.
You
You
like
like marzipan.
You are marzipan.
I wish I was marzipan.
We could make like,
Cool.
Please, we can make Clive!
I'm gonna make five.
Right, let's go.
Clive the snowman. Let's do it!
Decorate.
Nice. How are you going to decorate yours, Megan?
I don't know, it's going to be intricate though, I know that much.
Intricate star flake. Hello! Same. Phoebes, how are you going to decorate your star? Charlie is like eating my
Well,
leg.
I've got black and orange and it just makes it look like Halloween.
Yeah. We need some red and
I might
white.
just stick that on it and be like, yay, Christmas.
Stick a ribbon on it and be, yeah,
Could I
Christmas.
be really good?
What?
If I had like a glitter pigment, like you know how people use eyeshadow, I could just get it and just pour it on
Yes, just pour a load of glitter on it.
there. Yeah.
I'm going to have to like crouch.
Such angle, very shot. You just got like my egg head.
My egghead.
Which is funny because you're clever as well. I've got a hair.
I thought you were going to
what,
say it's funny because you're an egg.
Yeah,
That's
that's what Tiggy
because
said to
you're
me.
an
She
egg.
said, well done for your grades, you egghead. And then she was like, how I get it?
We're
'cause
just going to get like
you're smart and
a
you're
load
an
of
egg.
video of my neck.
Sexy.
I feel like I should do it like this.
I love a good neck.
Do you love a neck feeds? Neck and
But like I
neck.
have to like, I should like kneel on the floor. This is really difficult.
So the first noun that comes into your head.
What's
Pizza!
a noun?
Not pizza.
An object!
Oh,
Something
a
that's
kettle.
Not pizza is not an object.
It's on bread. In bread.
I'm gonna have to stand up.
I want some of these.
Some of what?
I apologise for my lack of decoration.
You've just got a white line around the edge. How creative.
I know.
I feel like this is just sort of to not like a fringe. I feel like I'm just going to do some like random black lines and make it look really aesthetic. Because that's what my aesthetic is.
I don't really
Black
know what I'm
lines.
trying to make here, but we're going with it.
I've got hair all over me.
Can you imagine if you were just like,
Stop
"I'm
eating the
done."
decorations!
Wait, was it?
Nice.
These are like Smarties, by the way.
Kind of shit
Oh,
food.
really? Yeah.
Wait, no, we need those for the penguins.
Not penguins! Snowman. Oh, those penguins.
I've got an idea.
I want to make Clive the snowman.
A
Perfect.
for a brownie. That sounds like a...
There we go. Put a brownie on top.
Just shove
Oh!
a brownie on it and you're sorted.
I don't know what
Dad!
that mean. But it's a Doug. Doug!
That's
actually really cool.
Dan.
Look at mine. Mine's just a load of black. It actually looks pretty cool.
Did you say a load of banter?
Load of banter.
So much banter.
Some sick bounce.
This is in celebration of something that's
Something like
happening
that,
very
there
soon.
I'm done.
Art.
My biscuit is in celebration of something
Literally,
that's happening
though.
really soon.
Literally, like what?
What? Yes. When did I
What's
do
happening
that?
Really soon.
Pin off 8.
Oh.
Same. That's how I feel about
Pin off,
this.
mate.
Do you know what? I could just give this to my art teacher. She'd be like, right, okay, you get an A star.
Yeah.
Forget coursework.
One white line on a star-shaped
This is going in my
Because
makeup portfolio.
cubism.
You said cubism.
No, cubism.
Cubism.
Only art kids from the 2000s will get this.
Cubism. What
Yeah.
is cubism?
It's basically like art with loads of like lines and shapes. Basically, they couldn't be asked. They just did a ruler and put it on a bit of paper.
They
and
did.
Like,
They did a ruler.
I just did an ampersand with icing.
I wish I was a D.
Do you know what D stands for? I think.
Yeah. I don't really.
So mature.
And then, for the finishing touch,
Done.
you ready?
I don't know what to do. I want to do one like that now.
Plonk. Don't copy me. Heading. Plonk. Sexual.
Ow! I just hit my head on that. Same. I feel like this is going to look really sinister and it's not meant to. Make a comparison. Language, Timothy.
Pull. Go.
That's just
Do you have an egg?
You are an
I've
egg.
got-
We have you!
Yeah, we haven't used.
Is that a zombie?
One medium-sized egg, guys.
It's not a zombie. It's a polar bear.
Okay, we need an egg. Do you have any eggs?
Give me a time.
It's just black. from
That's
the
going to need to go
side.
in the microwave before we put it on because you know how hard it is.
Half black. Ow!
I'm
Like
gonna make
my
these
soul.
all on plate.
Hard like my soul.
Okay.
It's
Black and flaky like my soul.
Same.
One medium-sized egg.
I'll crack you. If I hit someone with this, they'll probably like pass out. What are you doing? Unhygienic!
You got lipstick on it.
I can't open it on your face.
You ready, fam?
Phoebes, crack an egg.
Oh. Nice.
That was
And
not
then
meant
you
to-
Charlie, that's
stab it!
Turn back.
I got ahead of myself. You're not meant to mix it yet.
Alright.
Go. Wait, no, you need to measure it. You need to measure the...
Stop.
Go.
Oh, look at the milk. It looks like little dinosaur eggs.
Pour it, go.
Your phone.
Do you know what dinosaur eggs are?
Because I'm a secret dinosaur, okay, May? Leave me alone.
Dinosaur.
Don't let them know you're a brontosaurus.
Give
my
me
gosh,
some leaves.
No.
Fair enough.
That looks like vomit.
You look like vomit.
Thanks.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
Beautiful, Phoebe.
Thank you, so are you. Oh, but we didn't.
Friendship goals.
Woo!
Face. Like, we all have communal face.
Ah, can you know?
Like, the face of Bo.
Where does it say microwave this?
Can I eat some?
No. You'll die.
Yeah. No, like you're done. I mean, that is oiled up.
Now we're going to put this stuff into there.
Microwave it. Can we just take a moment to appreciate your jump as well?
Now
Go.
while that's cooking, let's do more stuff.
What are we going to do?
Icing. 50 grams of softened butter.
I don't think this is going to be enough.
Let's just put it all in. Go.
Bosh.
Bish bash
I was going
bosh.
to slosh it in, but you can't slosh butter.
Do you think it's okay? I'm
You're
really
too
like
emotionally
scared.
attached.
1 teaspoon of milk.
Milsh.
Let's just guess. Bosh. Wait, hold it. What are you doing?
David, what do you do? Die!
We have to decorate it. We don't just eat it.
Oh, me? I can't.
Look at that! Ow, it's hot.
That looks so good. Wait.
Taking this.
So I told Phoebe to add some more milk.
And now it is milk.
And this is milk.
Megan does have 4 arms.
Spoiler alert, I'm an alien. That's why I changed my name so the government wouldn't find me out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god, we made a souffle.
We actually
so
have
springy. Go.
Ow, it's like a sandcastle.
I'm so
but
scared.
hot.
Babes, that's way too much milk.
Oh my gosh!
What would you give it out of 5? 20. I'll give it a 7.2.
8.5.